Okay, so hello everyone. So in this video we want to actually find a program to reverse a specific number. Let's say I've been given this number 4113. What is the opposite of it? 3114. So something like this. I've given 1 2 3 4 5. I want the output as 5 4 3 2 1. How can we do this? Okay, let's understand this. So probably we have studied about two things: division operator and modulo operator, right? What do this division do? Division basically will give us excluding the remainder. What will this do? It will give us the remainder. I hope you remember, right? Simple. Okay. So let's take a simple example. Again, understand. 120. Let's take 123. Okay. What I'm expecting 3 to 1. Right? How will I get 3 to 1? Let's see. See, okay. We have 1 2 3, right? We'll create 1 2 3, no problem. Take the last digit. How will we take the last digit? By applying the modulo operator on this specific number. Let's say this is basically number. Num equal to 1 2 3. Okay. Num equal to 1 3. Now your number is this. In order to get this last value, just do num modulo what? How will you get it? Num modulo 10, right? What is the num modulo 10? If you divide this number by 10, what is the remainder? 3 is the remainder, so you can get the value. So you got that. Let's store that in my answer. Let's say in my answer right now, or somewhere we'll see how we'll handle it. Okay. So right now you have 3 in your hand. So in your answer, what is stored? 3 is stored. 3 is stored. Okay. What do you do now with this number? You try to actually divide by 10. Why divide by 10? 3 is already done, right? 3 part is done. 3 part is done. Next, what you need this number 2. How will you get number 2? If you can somehow make num by 10. That means update num by 10. What do we mean by this? Num value will basically become 12. Why 12? 3 is basically the remainder. 12 is basically the, if you divide by 10, you'll get 12. Why I'm doing this? Because now I need this 2 again. Okay, understanding? Now I need this 2. How will I get this 2? Again, on this number, I'll use a modulo operator. That is basically this thing. After doing this, I will get that modulo in my answer. I'll get that modulo in my answer. But in my answer, I already have this 3. And if you see properly, 1 to 3 is going to get converted into 3 to 1. So after 3, 2 will come. How can I allow 2 to come here? If you see properly, my answer is containing 3, right? If somehow I write here answer equal to answer into something plus num modulo 10. Can I do it 10? Think properly. If I do 10, see properly. 3, right? After 3, I need 2 here. How will I get 2 here? So let's multiply whatever is the answer. So answer is 3, so multiply it by 10. You got 30. Now if you add this num modulo 10, which is basically effectively 2, you can obviously get 32, right? Okay, so your answer will actually get this 32. Okay, don't worry, we'll do the diagram again. Okay, I'm just giving you the like how will say, just some specific things right now. Just giving the top view, I should say. I just the surface I'm saying. Okay, as soon as you code, we'll see it properly. Okay, just telling you the how we should approach to the solution. Okay, so let's see. It became 32, no problem. After this 12 is there, now what we need 1. So for this one also you need to again do this line, num equal to num by 10. So you get 1. You got 1. Now you got 1. Obviously you know how to get one modulo of, if you do modulo 10, you'll get 1 only. So now you want to add 1 here. But the issue is, try to, what do you want? You want something like, you want to add here. So how will you add it? If you multiply it by 10, you will get 320. If you add now 1, then obviously you can get 321. And this is the output that we want. Okay. Somehow you understood the brief idea of what we're doing. Okay, don't worry, we'll do it again. Okay, just giving you an idea about how we are gonna approach the solution. So here, first we'll take the last digit, then divide that digit by that specific number by 10, because now we are gonna concentrate on the last second digit. Okay, after considering the last second digit, we even check this specific thing. Answer equal to answer into 10 plus modulo 10. Okay, so let's understand how we do it again. And after that we'll see how we should actually approach to this. We'll even do the trial. Okay, don't worry about it. So let's start the code. Okay, let's just start the code right now. See here, let's take number by ourselves. Okay, num equal to, let's take 1 2 3 right now. We can take on the user also. We'll just take from the user right now only after this. Okay, so we need something like answer also. Initially answer value, let's keep it 0. While we'll write here some condition. Okay, we'll write here some condition. I'll just tell you right now what we're supposed to do. We're doing this answer equal to answer into 10 plus num. I'll do it. Don't worry, I'll explain. Okay, num modulo 10. Let me once write this line, then I'll explain to you. Num equal to num by 10, and as it is, just this one, just these two lines should do it. Let's understand what we're doing. Let's take an example. Again, let's take 1 2 3. Okay, number is 1 2 3. Answer equal to 0. I came here. Answer equal to answer into 10. Okay, answer is 0. So 0 into 10 plus num modulo 10. What is number? This modulo 10 will give me this value. So get this value. So answer is getting updated with value 3. Okay, whatever value you get here, updated in answer. So you got answer equal to 3. And now your num equal to num divided by 10. That means now your number is not 1 2 3, but it is actually only this part, because you have divided this number by 10 and you got only this 12. Okay, you got your number is 12. Okay, now you become your number is 12. Now number is 12. Great. You went to this loop again. Okay, we have some condition with right now. Okay, don't worry with right now. Okay, we have some condition, don't worry with it. Again, answer equal to answer into 10 plus num mod 10. Num mod 10. Okay, no problem. Num mod 10 basically means 1 2. So we will get this value. Okay, 12 mod 10. What will get? Obviously get the remainder, right? So the remainder is 2. Okay, but before the remainder we're doing answer into 10. What is the answer right now? 3. So 3 into 10 plus number 10, it's 2. So it became 30 plus 2, which became 32. 32 where it will be stored? It will be stored in my answer. Okay, so answer now it became 32. Okay, at line number 7. Everything has been, this portion is taking place at line number 7. Okay, afterwards line number 8, I'm doing num equal to num by 10. What is number right now? It is 12. Num divided by 10, what will you get? You get 1, because 10 ones are 10. 2 is the remainder, but we're excluding the remainder when we're using the divide operator, right? So now my answer is containing, num is containing 1. Num is containing 1. Okay, no problem. Num is containing 1, no problem. We have some condition. We'll see the condition right now. Okay, don't worry. Again, same thing we'll do. Answer equal to answer into 10 plus num mod 10. Okay, what is the answer right now? Answer is 32. Answer is 32. So 32 is getting multiplied by 10. Okay, multiplied by 10, no worries. Plus num mod 10. If you do 1 mod 10, what do you get? Obviously this cannot be divided, so 1 mod 10 is gonna be 1. Okay, but this is gonna be 320 plus 1. If you see properly, this is 321. 321, which is where is actually getting stored? It's getting stored in my answer. Num equal to num by 10 in my line number 8. So if you divide 1 by 10, you get 0 actually. You get 0. Okay. After 0, do you need to do anything? 3 to 1 is the answer that you need. Okay. So the condition that you need to write here is basically num not equal to 0. Okay. As soon as your number becomes 0, you need to stop. Okay. As soon as it becomes 0, you can just stop. Okay. So let's run it once. Oh, and then after running, again we'll do the trial. Okay, don't worry. So let's run it. Okay, so let me write first the condition. Num not equal to 0. That means until unless num is not equal to 0, just do it properly. After doing this, you will get your answer in your answer value. So you can be like answer is, it's stored in answer. So this we will be expecting 3 to 1 because we're using 1 to 3, right? Yeah. 3 to 1. Okay, let's take a different answer. Like let's take 1 3 4 5. Okay, so what are we expecting? 5 4 3 1, right? 5 4 3 1. So come here. 5 4 3 1. Now let's do the try run for this. Okay. Okay, 1 2 3 1 3 4 5. Hey, is your num equal to 0? No. Do this part. What do you need to do? Answer equal to answer into 10 plus num mod 10. What is answer? Answer is equal to 0. So this part will not be counted right now. Num mod 10. Num mod 10 is basically divide this number by 10. So what you get? you'll get the remainder. Remainder is 1. So okay, you got 1 stored that in your answer, because after computing this power with this thing, you are actually storing in answer on. Okay, answer became 1 right now. Again, you're actually trying to do num equal to num by 10. So num by 10 means 1345 divided by 10, you'll get 134. Stored is 134 in num. Okay, now num is containing 134. Okay, great. Again, this loop, after you reached here, again you went to this and you're saying, checking, hey, is num equal to 0? No, it's not equal to 0. Come again at line number 7. Answer equal to answer into 10. Right now answer has some value. Okay, it has 1. So 1 into 10 plus num mod 10. What is num right now? Num is basically now only 134. So 134 modulo 10. Now you'll get this 4. You got this 4, right? You got this 4, and now you're like, okay, before adding you're actually multiplying by 10. So 10 plus 4, 14. Where actually is getting stored? My answer. So my answer basically became as 14, right? Okay, again num became num by 10. Num was actually 134. I actually again divide by 10. It became 30. And where actually is getting stored? In my num again. Making sense? Right. Okay, great. Till here I think it's making sense, right? 30 is there. Okay, 30 is there. And we can see that actually it should be 54. Why? Because 5 was the initial value, right? Let me again do it again, no problem. Actually I did it on the opposite part. Okay, I did it on the opposite part. Let's do it again. 1 3 4 5. Answer equal to answer into 10 mod 10. So mod 10, 5 is a reminder. You got answer in answer equal to 5, because initially answer was 0, so this part will not be counted. Only this part will be counted, and it got updated and answer is equal to 5. Okay, now mod 10. So what is the answer? 1 3 4 5 divided by 10, you will get 134. 184 equal to 0. No, again you come and do answer equal to answer to 10. So answer is containing 5. So 5 into 10 plus number 10. What is now? 134. So you are going to actually add this 4 only, because again you will do mod 10. So you get a remainder. Okay. After this you will be getting answer equal to 54. Answer equal to 54. Okay, great. After answer equal to 54, again at line number 8 you are doing 134 mod 10. So obviously when this 4 is getting rejected now, your answer is containing, num is containing only 30. Okay, is 30 equal to 0? No. Come again to line number 7. You do answer equal to answer into 10. Right now what is answer? 54. So 54 into 10 plus num mod 10. What is num? Num is 13. So 13 mod 10. So 13 mod 10 will give me 3. The remainder is 3, right? So 540 plus 3. What will be 4? 543. 543 right now. Okay, great. Afterwards you did in this line number 8, 13 divided by 10. So only this part will be left. So right now num is containing 1. Okay, num is containing 1. Again you went here and you're like, hey, is my at line number 6, is my num equal to 0? No, it's not equal to 0. Come again at answer number 7, line number 7. Answer equal to answer into 10 plus num mod 10. What is answer? Answer is containing 543. So 543 into 10 plus, what is num containing? Num is containing only 1. So 1 modulo 10. So 1 modulo 10 is 1. So 543 is going to be 5430 plus 1. You'll be getting 5431. 5431. Okay. Afterwards at line number 8 you're doing num by 10. Num is basically 1. 1 divided by 10 equal to 0. It becomes 0. As soon as you went to line number 6, you're like, hey, num is not equal to 0. No, it's equal to 0. So stop. Nothing will be terminated out here. But you already have got the answer in your answer variable. You're coming and just printing the value. Okay, that's the reason you're getting 5431. Okay, I hope you understood this program. How we are doing, how we are approaching to this program, right? Okay, just do it. Just do the dry run, some more dry runs. If you do, then only you understand. Okay, and then you just code. Okay, this coding, I think you can do it, right? It's simple, right? Okay, so see you guys in the next video then. Okay, thank you.